Okay, in this episode we're going for some hot metal. So the plan is we're going to move our mobile dino transportation system over to this side of the island. There's nothing aggressive over here. And then we'll go get some metal. Let's do go. Just so you guys know, a good tip for playing this game is so much more easier when you have a mobile base. You know, because you can get items like these trilobites where we were at before. They just don't spawn at all. Look at this, when you get a hatchet, look at all that chitin. Yeah. Hey, we're live, bro. I'm just making a little video.
I thought like the heat got you, but I saw you talking about yourself.
No, I'm just I'm giving tips for, you know, mobile based system like we got going. Really good idea. Really good idea to do because you know, I mean, no one knows where our secret base is at, you know. And even if we do get our base rated, we have something else, you know. So, it's a really good idea to do this. Alright, you ready to go?
Are you gonna fly there, or you just let him ride?
Yeah. So, alright, so just so you know where you don't get lost, to the right is where we would park our like the swamp, and then to the left is the snow biome. So, from our base, well, okay, for viewers out there, we don't know where our exact base is at, but if you go to the left, then there's that giant waterfall. That's where you'll die if you go off that waterfall. That area over there is, yeah, you'll literally fall off the world. So that area over there, that's like the Ice Age place. And so you know, Hunter, so you can get your bearings. All that area over there is the redwood biome, and it's a lot larger. Hey, I was gonna ask you. Yeah, there's terror birds and stuff and carnos. What's that in the ocean? What is that?
It's pirates. I think it's just a little rock. No, it's a little duck.
It's a duck.
Whatever that thing is built to it. It's a small one.
Whoa, I fell off. Whoa, fell off.
I told you guys it was hot. Can you imagine what it like swimming in armor like this?
Yeah, you would die pretty quickly.
Even though this is a special metal that is very lightweight. It's actually the same kind of metal they make the Captain America shield.
Yeah. Oh, it's the Captain. Yeah.
To the Batman cape.
Hey, did they put a foundation over there on that spawn, on that drop?
Can't see it. There, so is that there?
I've been pumping a little bit of. There's a dolphin. Oh, did it disappear? Are you kidding me? Wow. Okay. Alright, so I was reading on the wiki about these bats, and I can't seem to tell whether or not bolas will work on them. So I'm not sure if they will or not.
Yeah, I never saw them.
Yeah.
Are they big?
Yeah, they're huge. They almost killed their bird. Yeah, they're like these giant bats. There was 2 of them in there. Like I said, like one time I went and there was a giant centipede thing that shot some like nasty junk at me. But then he fell into lava.
Because when I go, but I'm not. I never see any creature in there.
Yeah, it's like you. Like you always get the raiders coming after you, and I always get like the strange.
Yeah, exactly.
So sometimes it's like that.
You have your cave division. If you put in a cave, you can run around with us.
Yeah.
I mean,
I was thinking, we once we get some cementing paste, bro, we need to get a fabricator going because I can start crafting some more advanced weapons. So that's something that we need to do too.
cool.
And now that we got the frogs,
I already learned the Ingram.
oh yeah, okay. I was gonna say, we have 85 oiled, and I got the oil from the trilobites. So I found a spot that has trilobites and silica pearls, and
Oh, okay, those are good.
yeah, so we have enough to make at least some gasoline to make the fabricator. Just keep an eye out for oil because it seems like it's a super rare resource, and you kind of need it because
Well,
you can't make gasoline
I
without.
heard that,
Yeah.
I heard that on the snow place, where there's the ice age place, on the water, you can find a lot of pearls and oil.
Yeah, that's on the regular island map. This is the center map, so it's different.
Uh,
Yeah.
forget it.
Yeah, I've literally only found one place, like, the entire time we've been playing. I found one place that has, like, oil, and it's in a super dangerous spot. There's, like, spinos and all kinds of stuff, so. So we're going to Batman Cave.
The Batman cave right there. And this is where Cascade got a very tight friendship with the Wilson on this little island here.
Man, this place is so huge. I mean, the chances of running into somebody is pretty slim, you know?
Yeah, especially if you just have like 20 people players on your
Yeah.
on this whole map. But I still maps like this. They have like 100 players at this like logged in at the same time.
Oh, they're probably getting
That would
raided.
be very hard all the time. Yeah.
We'll see what's happening is it like, you know, since they made it now that you can travel from server to server, there's guys that are like forming these giant tribes and they're just going from server to server raiding people. So that's why you see all the foundation.
You don't lose your experience.
No, you can you can travel, you can take your whole stuff and travel from server to server. If it's an official server,
Oh man.
yeah, you can like take your equipment and everything too. So like people that, oh, what was that? Something flew by.
So maybe when we once we are pretty strong,
Uh-huh.
maybe we can dare to travel for a server that has more people. No, that's not bad.
I think there's, I mean, just from what I'm gathering, I mean, I've seen up to like 34 people at a time. So what I think I think there's probably at least like 45 people playing on the server, but they're all logged in at different times. You know what I mean?
Okay,
You know what I mean?
good times. Yeah, I see. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
I like the level, how everything is leveled up in the servers, because everything is a little more, not super hard, but hardcore, but more than just, the regular thing.
Yeah.
So, and that gives it a little bit of a challenge.
Oh yeah.
The dinos are a little more smarter, they're a little stronger, and that's a good challenge.
Yeah. All right. So here's the deal, man. If you see those, bats, keep our bird alive, dude. Like, I mean, literally, I couldn't even. I tried killing one with the bird. I couldn't do it. So I had to like fly away, and he almost died. So, and I even shot him with the gun and everything.
First we should scout the around.
Yeah. Where'd you go? Oh man, careful, dude. Seriously, if you see anybody, run. It's metal.